Up first this evening, the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation has buckled under pressure from civil society following the DPP ruling on the controversial housing development involving Mark Barnett and his wife. In a statement Friday night, the KSAMC said the matter is now the subject of an internal investigation. It came days after the DPP ruled that the Barnetts cannot be charged for breaching the National Resources Authority Act and showed that the KSAMC made several errors.
On Friday night, Mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, issued a statement which said an internal probe has been launched following the DPP's ruling into the controversial housing development involving Mark Barnett and his wife. It followed mounting pressure from civil society for the KSAMC to be audited following errors it made in deeming the housing development compliant. Now, according to the mayor, among the issues under investigation is the variation in the reports of the findings by inspection officers of the KSAMC and NEPA relating to whether breaches were observed. The KSAMC said on completion of the investigation, all necessary and appropriate actions will be taken to ensure that the building and planning laws are enforced and adhered to. Mr. Williams further advised that the administrative regime for building approvals has been under review, which has resulted in several measures being implemented to strengthen these processes. He also welcomed the recommendations of the DPP and committed to keeping the public informed about the findings of the investigation. For context, the permit for the property at the center of the controversy was approved for the construction of 12 one-bedroom units, but investigation showed that the development contained 6 two-bedroom and 6 three-bedroom units. On Thursday, the Director of Public Prosecution said although the breach is an offense under the Natural Resources Conservation Act, the prosecution cannot go ahead as more than 1 year has passed since NEPA identified the breach. The ruling pointed to several errors on the part of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation and NEPA, which the DPP said cannot be overlooked. For instance, the KSAMC officer listing the development as compliant on December 10, 2020, then a representative from NEPA highlighting the breaches on December 17, 2020. The DPP also indicated that charges can be laid under the Building Act, but the KSAMC has to lead that process. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.